Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing the nerve tracking step of planning in Emsoft. The nerve tracking option is fifth over from the left on the top button bar. You can see the little icon with a nerve drawn inside. We'll just click on this and then on the view we'll be working on. The button will turn dark to let us know that this is the side we're working on. At this point, we'll click on the axial view. We'll pull it down apically until we find the mental foramen. I use my left mouse button to pull. I can enlarge the image and then use my left mouse button to click and place a nerve point in the mental foramen. You must always start with a mental foramen. Now I'll bisect the nerve. I'll try to go as far back as I can get. I'm going to go back and track the nerve back as far as I can. I'll left-click my mouse and place a nerve point in. The system is going to track using a grayscale algorithm. You can see here that it tracked the nerve. At this point, it isn't tracked completely. So we'll go back and check the nerve points. I can click on a nerve point in the 3D view and it will take me back to the nerve points. You can always add nerve points. This is helpful in areas where we'll place implants. This will help you make sure that your implant will not be placed within the nerve. If you want to remove a nerve point, hover over it until it's bright yellow. Click on Delete. You'll see a dialog asking if you want to delete the nerve point, where you can select OK to delete it. Working with the loop will help make sure that your placed nerve points are in the correct positions. Taking the view and twisting it helps me check the nerve points to see if they are going around the loop. If there is an anterior branch, we can mark it. If you plan to have implants going in the anterior direction, you can add points to follow that anterior direction. In this case, we won't be needing it. You may use the shift and left mouse button to move your cursor like I've done here. Once you're satisfied with the tracking, make sure that the canal is tracked perfectly. Click on the tracking button to approve the nerve tracking step. We can now continue to the next step in placing the implant. Thank you for watching.